I'm Paul Hancock, recruiter, recruit maintenance for CommuteAir. We're regional for United Airlines, and today I'm actually going to get exposed to what a real-life A&P mechanic goes through. And starting with an airline can certainly be intimidating, but I can assure you that if I can do this, you can do this.
Experiencing the camaraderie of this team was fantastic. After the shift meeting, we went to the gate, they showed me how to fire up the engines, and then we taxied it back to the hangar and performed an engine inspection. It was at that time that they showed me how to use a borescope with the quality control team. I had tons of questions, and nobody ever got frustrated with me once, which I greatly appreciate. These guys and gals take care of one another, and I experienced how they always have each other's back.
An airplane is like 2 million parts with fans spinning at the closest speed of sound, and it all has to work in sync, and you help make that work in sync, and you get to see it fly off in the morning. Like, there's no better feeling than being like, oh yeah, I helped that get off the ground, and there it goes, and it's gonna stay in the air for a while.
I would have to say this is one of the best places to get a lot of experience. From the front of the plane to the back of the plane, it doesn't matter what it is. Like, you can come here and you can gain a vast amount of knowledge and experience.
I remember one week I went from igniters on the engine, and then the very next day I changed a hydraulic pump. You can do anything, and I really like that.
I feel like there's a massive opportunity here. Just the simple fact that there's a lot of newer people, which is a great opportunity for anyone coming fresh out of school.
This is like more like family, and we look out for each other. So there's like a real sense of community.
I couldn't be more appreciative of the opportunity to experience hands-on the training provided within our tech ops, and can more confidently than ever recommend CommuteAir as being your next stop in your career.